Hey guys, Slipebeam and welcome to iPhone Rehab. Let's start the repair. So as you can see, I am starting to get the parts to take apart the first phone. This one obviously got ran over. So I am taking the pry tools. I don't think I'm going to need the suction cup. I'm just taking the pry tools to get the adhesive off the screen to separate the screen from the body. So now that I've taken the screen off, I will then take the 4 or 5 ribbon cables off of the screen so I can safely remove the screen from this device. However, there is a small shell holding the ribbon cables, preventing me from taking that off, so I'll need to unscrew that shell. After this, I will then take the screen off the other phone. Then I will see you when we've completed that. So now that I've taken both screens off both phones, I am now going to try to put the working screen on the phone that got ran over. So this is the screen that got water damage. I'm going to put that on the motherboard of the phone that got ran over. Alright, I'm now putting the phone screen on the phone that works, and holy moly, does the phone work. Alright, so now we are going to work on swapping the parts from the ran over phone, putting those in the water damaged phone, just in the housing. Then, let's see what happens next. Wow, it works. Alright guys, I just want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you stay tuned for episode 3. Yeah, episode 3 of iPhone Rehab. Thank you for watching. Like I said, episode 3 we'll see the finale of iPhone Rehab. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.